A number of advanced information and communication technology tools have been employed as an integral part of the YesICT toolkit. The YesICT toolkit can be fully accessed by following the URL http://yesict.edu. Content available on the website include motivational videos, Google Docs, templates, and resources for digital design. The toolkit offers flexibility for the implementation of the program by offering alternatives with regards to the duration of the program as well as the use of ICT tools. Offering various options derived from the diverse need of the various educational settings across Europe. Option number 1, compact duration. Balanced mix of manual and ICT-enabled activities, 3 days. This option is the YesICT default option. It offers a balanced mix of conventional and ICT-enabled activities scheduled for 3 full days, not necessarily consequently. It offers full impact without any compromises. Team creation, ideation, and prototyping are delivered as activities that involve handcrafting tasks. Option number 2, extensive duration. A balanced mix of manual and ICT balanced activities, 5 days. This option offers a balanced mix of conventional and ICT-enabled activities scheduled for 5 days, not necessarily consequently. In fact, this option is better suited for those who prefer to offer the program spread all over a period of time. This option suggests prototyping as an integrated ICT-enabled and manual activity. The phases team creation and ideation remain fully manual activities. Option number 3, compact duration, extensive of ICT-enabled activities, 3 days. For high school students or students who have advanced ICT tools, we offer 2 options that run for 3 or 5 days, and they include activities that heavily employ the use of ICT tools and are delivered digitally. In fact, the 3-day option employs exclusively digitalized activities as are shown in the toolkit. Finally, option number 4, extensive duration, extensive use of ICT-enabled activities, 5 days. In this option, the overall program employs heavily digitalized activities. Prototyping is a combination of digital and handcrafting activities.